Are you considering BloomsyBox.com for your flower delivery needs but unsure if it's right for you? In this video, I'm going to share 7 things you need to know before buying from them so you can make an informed decision before committing. Stick around to the end, because I'll also tell you how you can try it for free and get the best deal possible. First, BloomsyBox.com stands out by offering a subscription-based floral delivery service, providing fresh, hand-picked flowers delivered right to your door. What sets them apart is their focus on sustainably sourced blooms and their partnerships with local farms. In a crowded market with big players like the Books and ProFlowers, BloomsyBox leans heavily on quality over quantity. You'll get fewer but much fresher premium flowers, making them a great option for those who want to support eco-friendly businesses. Next thing to know, pricing. BloomsyBox is reasonably priced considering the quality of flowers they deliver. Their subscription plans start around $40 per month, which is in line with other subscription-based services. However, you're paying for sustainability, fresh flowers, and that direct farm-to-vase delivery. The flowers are handpicked and shipped directly from farms, so the freshness is undeniable. Compared to competitors, this focus on freshness might justify the slightly higher cost. The third thing worth mentioning is the customization of your subscription. While some flower delivery services offer one-size-fits-all arrangements, BloomsyBox gives you options to select your preferred flower types. You can opt for weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly deliveries, allowing you to tailor your subscription to your needs and budget. If you have a favorite flower or want a surprise each time, BloomsyBox lets you personalize the experience. They even have a florist's choice option for a curated selection, perfect for those who love variety. Now, the fourth thing to consider, delivery options. BloomsyBox is known for their reliable, timely delivery. They offer free shipping for most orders, and they have great delivery flexibility too. If you're looking for a subscription that guarantees you'll get fresh flowers right when you expect them, BloomsyBox excels in that area. Plus, their flowers are packaged in eco-friendly materials, which is a huge plus for those conscious of sustainability. The fifth thing to consider, the flower quality and lifespan. BloomsyBox has a reputation for delivering premium quality blooms. The flowers arrive carefully packed to minimize damage and are often fresher than what you'd find at your local florist or grocery store. The best part? They typically last longer, so you get more value for your money. If you've ever ordered flowers from other services and found they didn't last more than a few days, BloomsyBox might offer the longevity you're looking for. Next, let's talk about BloomsyBox's customer service. While their flowers and delivery are top-notch, their customer service could use some improvement in certain areas. Some customers have mentioned delays or difficulty reaching customer service during high-demand periods, but when you do get through, their team is generally responsive and helpful. Still, it's something to keep in mind if you prefer having immediate customer support at your fingertips. Lastly, the flexibility of BloomsyBox's subscription. One feature that many customers love is that you can pause, cancel, or adjust your subscription without much hassle. If you need to skip a month or change your flower preferences, it's easy to update your account. This is a major plus compared to competitors, who often lock you into rigid plans. If you want to give BloomsyBox a try, you can get the best offer available through the first link in the description below. They're offering a free trial for new users, which is an excellent way to test out the service risk-free and see if their flowers meet your expectations. To summarize, BloomsyBox.com is a strong contender in the floral delivery space, especially if you prioritize sustainable sourcing, premium quality flowers, and flexible subscription options. While there are some minor drawbacks in customer service, the overall experience is well worth considering. If you want to give it a try, make sure to click that first link below for the best free trial offer available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.